The Warjri clan or Ka Kur Warjri had recently kick-started its year-long Silver Jubilee celebration on the 1st of November this year. While different activities will be held through the year, a floral exhibition, cum sale of various items and local cuisine at Pomlum in Upper Shillong marked the beginning of the celebration. Informing about the event, the General Secretary of Ka Kur Warjri, Sunshine Warjri, said that the 24 years journey of the clan was quite challenging, but with positive intentions, the leaders were able to reunite and bring together clan members from all corners of the Khasi and Jaintia Hills under the umbrella of Ka Kur Warjri. Further, the General Secretary of the clan informed that the first Dorbar or Council of the Kur was held in 2000, 2 years after it was founded. During the initial years, there existed only 4 to 5 units of the clan, but with tireless efforts of the late founder of Ka Kur Warjri, D.L. Warjri, and other founding members of the clan, the units have presently increased to over 30 in number. The year-long celebration will also include sports, creative activities and literary competitions apart from the General Council, which will be held at 10:30 in the morning of the 11th of November 2022 at Maulindep Grounds in Sorangkham Village, informed Sunshine Warjri.
Yakani kasengkur jungi ngila sedang nadu usnam khat khandai spa khandai pupra. Di hakiki kisnam kibading kong UAR Islam Yimsim Lola ban Pelong Dorbar Andrei day tat hadin jong kani kajing sedang tang hadin Arsnam ngila sedang ya ke Dorbar situlup kari khasi buat kani ke Dorbar ke bah hawang idang sedang ngalaban itu ipi bangidan tang ke masau buat samteli ke yunin Andrei ha kajing trei jong kakam hadu mentah kasngi ngilala ban pelang ban lum ia ki kur ki jongi halaki jong ki snong bangila bandon kumbal live hadu live how to li ki yunin dang sien ngi dang siwan na sipo umrunja ban penskem ban jiet ikinong ket kam ban peniang ya ki unit umrunja Sengkur Warjri di kanika sengkur jongi ngilaya lenti babun kisnam hakata ka jing ya lenti ka jongi ngila mdai kai bangi shuya ta ka jing suk la ne ha ka jing ba ndai nge ting khu i ka jing e ngi ya ling ba ki jing e ngi ya ling ba ki jing ya sham ki jingi namar ban sedang ka Sengkur Warjri ha ka baning kong ngimdan ai ru em naladihi ngila shuya sai ngila shuya pemir ngila shuya lumlang kat bala ban ai ban tur ban wat iki kur jingi ki badan hajan bat ki badan sejengai den roy kat bananya kisnam nga aingu iblai po blai penyang ki kur ki jangi ki bakin songtho bangi dei banyang bat ban dia lum le ki jong ki kur hala ki jong ki snong kendiat apa phai biang shekman ka Sengkur jangi ha kisnam ki balale ngia ken thup lang ya ki jat kur bar ki ba ngia kam kur ngia tingkur bar kita kelang Warjri kawar manai kawar waxing kawar tingha kawar nongbri bat kawar nongjri tingi le lang ngia dan lang kaje kendo lang mrai hawan la nang yabun ni kum ki Warjri ngi le perhat ba ngin yami no lo jong tunum tandai bat bakini giwe ki tanat kur ki jongiru kinya sedang banya dana lo jong tunum tandai dei hangne bangila sedang ya kanika Kur Warjri hau khat khandai spa khandai pupra ban ngila sedang pat ya ka Dorbar haki artli snam di bahadin ban bangila ban long kumni kumbangilang ban poiru hado uni uput bala shamsnam ar hajar ar fulai kadai ka Silver Jubilee ke jungi ka Jubilee rupa ka banginya celebrate badda ka banginya penlong ru ya ki activities ki babun limba jong ni snam limba ni snam ar pau ar hado ar fulai tengidan hangni ru yai iwei na kita khat jongi iba ngilabu ikum program secretary na benta kini ke function ki banangwan dengan sa IT ha ikum no in pensyai iya ki kita ki activities ki baginya le Ti hakini ka por pat nga kwa ya kawan pen mau lang ya ki kurbaro ki badan sitlup kari kasi ba jan tia ba ka dorbar ka ba ar phusau kan long mentau senam ha ka khatwei tarik November ar hajar ar puar ha ka snong soreng kham ka snong soreng kham ka dan tang kumba ar puar kilometer na Shillong kam jangai bat kalong tang kumba 20 minit na dengimi na Shillong ban poi hadu soreng kham ka jakalong dorbar pat kalong highway kentai snang baki khat ka maulendap jangai na soreng kham tang si padamau ngin poi hakata ka jaka ka bangin pelongi ka dorbar bat bahang ni ka danru ka jaka penyang kali ke babiang ke bakelui barok ke kali hek kali rit ke bandrung hadu jaka long dorbar ti ken mau mafiki kur ba penia mi pat ba ban pen i shakiwei ba mangi ki kur warjri ngielong shitli wat ngielong kawei namar kita kedau ngadakan tujur yipi nak nang kat ki badan hakinu gin gisnong ki ba fila ban yo i ban yo sngo sepang kan gerbar yami pat ba bat ya poi hang te po soreng kham bat ngin sedang ni ke dorbar ke por si pau si teng men stem ti kata kalong gajeng kentu go janga ko general secretary ba pinya poi pinya itu kur itu jan namar ka kur warjri jangi kalong ka kur warjri ke bayar.
While speaking about the various activities that will take place throughout the year, the chairman of the organizing committee of the Silver Jubilee Celebration, Ka Kur Warjri, informed that the floral exhibition cum sale of food and other items that is ongoing at Pomlum in Upper Shillong, which will come to a close on the 5th of this month, has been organized with the intention to generate employment to members of the Kur or clan and enable them to independently earn their livelihood. To foster the spirit of love and brotherhood, Warjri appealed to all members of the Kur to visit the ongoing exhibition and also to take part in other activities that will be held throughout the year.
The Central Executive Committee jong Ka Kur Warjri ban pensakan mau ya ka jingdap jong ni ka dorbar ba arpusan ka ban salong hamau plang tinglai rai ba kum ka kur nginyele iki program beper Barak Shisnam. Program ke bangi ngilai rai kelong ke football, ke basketball, badminton, marathon, nang ta kindonru ki creative arts kum ke essay writing, painting, but poetry writing. Kandonru I ke jing yakop competition, kum ke singing competition, ke dancing competition, nang ta ke fancy dress, but ngindonru kum ke jing penslur ya ki khon samla me ki ba dangbiang karta hagaban ice nam ni katangin khot ka blood donation tengin bat menta pi menta hang ni ngidon hagani ka jaka hagaba kum ka kur ngile ikani ka flower exhibition ka wei ni kilat ai kam ai jam mo iki longyeng ba per ki batrei hagani ka kam ba hagani ka benta te menta pi hang ni ki don ki stalls ka ba kum ka kur ngi kentu ya borok ki badan kini kecing I sentiu bakin ya wan bat kamtam lele ya kikur bakin wan namar ngin penkut ya kini hadu ke santri ke sing sajan ke badai ke sing syuti te hakan ke sing penkut sendan ya kini mendai tangki sentiu penlam pindan ru ki marep ke baki kur jungi kin sawara na keleng nang ta gidon kiwe ru ke ba ki kenja jengbam kini kita ki baki kur jungi ki penkre tekin sawan kasih sejalan yang ni telah kerpat ya ki parkur berkhoi ki barang jinge dei jinge I snotanat snowjan makin wan khnang sia kani ka exhibition kawan sakut kasih sejalan khnang ba ke jing penkre na kani ka organizing committee kan long ka job